Hey everybody, Scott Gumbar here, and I wanted to take this time to genuinely thank you for stopping by my website. You could be anywhere on the internet right now, but you're here, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Now, with that being said, I know you're here because you want to drive more traffic to your website, and you want to drive more traffic to your website because you understand that in order to grow your business, become more successful, put more revenue in the bank, and put more money in your pocket, you need to have more traffic to your website. And you understand that in order to get more traffic to your website, one of the key components to doing that is your on-page SEO. So I've created this 4-part on-page SEO live webinar. It's not going to be recorded. It's going to be live. You're going to be talking to me, and we're going to go over everything you need to know for on-page SEO. I created that just for you. And to thank you for stopping by my website today, I've created this short little video of the first step you need to take if you're using WordPress, the first thing you need to do to get started with your on-page SEO. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you in the webinar.
What I'm going to do here, and the first thing you should do after getting your theme set up, I'm not going to worry about the theme on this site. This is a brand new install of WordPress, and this is a website I'm going to design for the town that my business is in the town that I live in. So the first thing you want to do after getting your theme set up is to add an SEO plugin, and my preferred plugin is Yoast, and you'll find that that's probably the most popular SEO plugin. Your theme may also include SEO features. However, Yoast is by far the better avenue to use. What Yoast is going to do once you have it set up, you see right here, I've got 2 alerts already, even though I haven't done anything with this site yet. No pages have been created, theme hasn't been installed, nothing is done yet, but I've got 2 alerts already. And it's telling me I still have the default WordPress tagline. So, you go here and change. Go to settings and change this right here. Or you can just click on you can fix this. So, get rid of the tagline. You can add your own tagline if you want to. Save it, of course. Oops. Getting ahead of myself here. Try that again. Delete. Save. Okay, so there's going to be some settings that you'll want to change under your settings, but the focus of this is for SEO. The second piece is I didn't connect to my Google Search Console. I'm not going to do that just yet. That'll be part of the webinar series that I'm going to be doing, setting up Google Search Console, what used to be called Google Webmaster Tools. General, your info, so you're going to want to change any of this information. Is it a company or a person? The company name, we'll just use the same thing. Oh, I can't copy and paste. And then I haven't created a logo yet, so we're not going to do that yet. Connection to Webmaster Tools for Bing, Google, and Yandex. Now, you don't have to worry about Yandex if you're not concerned with Russian traffic. I'd imagine most of the people watching this video are not concerned with Russian traffic. And then security, advanced part of Yoast SEO meta box. This is for your posts and your pages. And so what will happen is on each page that you create, I don't know if there's a default. Yeah, so I have a sample page here. I'll just use that for now. And what will happen is down here you'll put in the keyword, the focus keyword, which should be a phrase, by the way, not one word. Put it in there and it'll tell you what you need to correct. So I'll be showing you that during the webinar. But so that would be the first step. Install Yoast SEO. Yoast has a great support section, and there's a bunch of add-ons you can include, but we're going to go over all of these things during our webinar. Now, this is assuming you install WordPress. The webinar is good for anybody because we're going to go everything that you need to do on the website to make it ready for Google and Bing and Yahoo and other search engines to index it. And that's the most important piece. Get Google, Yahoo, and Bing to index your website. First they're going to crawl it, then they're going to index it. And so we're going to go over how to do that. I'll be using WordPress, but everything I use applies to any website that you do, whether it's Joomla, Drupal, if you want to do it by HTML and PHP, whatever you decide to do, you can use the steps during the webinar. So hopefully you sign up for the webinar, and I'll see you there.